Hello, are you ready to discover how artificial intelligence really works? Welcome to AI Firelabs, a community hub where anyone in London and across the UK can explore the world of AI in a fun, hands-on way. At AI Firelabs, we believe technology learning should be creative, engaging, and open to everyone, no tech experience required. Our free workshops and interactive online lessons make AI simple to understand and exciting to explore. You'll learn what AI is, how it's shaping everyday life, and how you can use it creatively, from building chatbots to generating digital art or learning to code. Through real-world examples, fun tools, and friendly mentor support, you'll gain confidence and digital skills that prepare you for the future. AI Firelabs is a community interest company, which means every workshop we run helps empower local people to explore technology and opportunity together. So, whether you're curious about chatbots, creativity, or coding, this is your place to start. Join the movement, learn, create, discover the future with AI Firelabs.